All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another installment of Just the Tip. In today's tip, we're gonna be talking about the FUPA. Yeah, the FUPA and the BBW. And what these are, what they do. Really popular item, if I'm not mistaken, created by Mr. Furick himself, and found that a bigger lens, more gas coverage gives you more protection, better weld, pretty weld, etc. So I started making these products years ago, naming them funny names, and what they do is they just provide a lot better gas coverage on the weld. The whole point of gas, which is argon, it's a non-flammable gas, is to protect your weld. So as you're welding, the gas flow protects it from oxygen, because what happens when melted metal touches oxygen, it contaminates. So this just gives it a way better coverage, and it gives you, better welds, prettier welds, cleaner welds, stronger welds, all the welds. Really popular, for us automotive guys, with stainless and titanium to get the proper color, to just get the proper everything. I pretty much adopted this in all the welding. Not really required as much as aluminum. I'm just so used to having this and so used to welding with it in all the positions and everything we use that I just kind of run with it. The point of that also is that you're able to stick your tungsten out really far. So the rule of thumb is you can go as far out as the diameter of your cup. So this is a 16 cup, which is equivalent to 1 inch. This is a 12, which is equivalent to like 3/4, I believe. If you noticed in this video earlier, I definitely used this to my advantage. I stuck this sucker way the hell out, and I shit you not, I had this thing stuck out way out. I also did have my gas turned way up too. I usually run this thing about 35-40. Just because again, I just found that to be the most beneficial. There's wind and stuff that kind of comes through the shop, fans running, things like that. So it just gives you a perfect coverage. But I had this thing basically turned up all the way, 60, 70 on the flow meter, just turned up, pumping, just to give it that perfect protection, so I can go ahead and seal it up without that gray, without contaminating it. FUPA cup, highly recommended pretty much for everything. Get yourself one. These are standard ceramic cups. This is a number 8, probably the biggest you can get without going into any of these other ones. And then another pro tip is your gas lens. So this gas lens right here is what you're gonna need to use one of these. And all that will be figured out in some welding video that I plan to release here sometime in the near future. So that's pretty much it for this tip. Couple extra big ass gas lens ceramic cups. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.